Wow.
Did you see that, Miss Mata?
I did hear that. Hello,
everybody. That was like weird, something we just saw. But good morning, Beardsley Bears. Good morning. Good morning. It's a Friday. It's a Friday. But guess what? It's not any regular Friday. What's today, Miss Mata?
Final Friday.
The last day of school.
We made it, everybody. Everybody should cheer. We made it. We made it. We crossed the finish line.
Could I get some music? Woo, 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 woo. Oh, we should. You know what? Okay, we're getting way too excited, Miss Mother, because we have a very busy assembly today. So I'm going to put my glasses right up here for now. But boys and girls, it is also, on Wednesday, it was Hawaiian Day. So we're wearing our Hawaiian gear. And Miss Mata could not go without wearing her little pom-poms because we're celebrating.
That's right. These are my favorite.
Because we're celebrating today.
My glasses are actually staying on my head, so I'm not going to take them off.
Mine are staying, but they kind of hurt. I think I have a big head, so it's squeezes.
It's that brain of yours.
Big brain. Oh, I'm sure that's what it is. Okay, yep. Boys and girls, Miss Mata, you want to get us started today?
Yes, let's do it, everybody. Everybody put your right hand over your heart, and let's do the flag salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Wow, I think we're going to be dancing a lot today, but I think maybe we could get some music added on at the end for celebrate. Oh,
good times, come on. Love it.
Okay, boys and girls, I think it's time to jump right in. I'm going to actually, should we just jump into our?
I think we should.
Okay.
So everybody, today is Student of the Month.
Oh, I forgot to do it. We can't end the last assembly without saying it's time for Miss Mata.
Yes, everybody, it is Student of the Month. It is the final Student of the Month of the 2021 school year.
School year.
Woo!
I was trying to be like an echo.
Am I?
No.
Oh, okay.
I was being your echo.
Yes. Oh, okay. I missed that. Yes, everybody. So we're going to honor students today for Student of the Month for having a positive attitude, which is the A in our pause. That's right, everybody, because May was all about being positive.
And you know, I even told you, Miss Mata, today I need to have a positive attitude, Miss Mata. I need to think positive thoughts, and I need to have a positive attitude, and I need to change my attitude when I get a little grumpy. Do you ever get grumpy, like where you're like,
I do. I feel myself growl sometimes, and that's okay to get grumpy, but then it's a time to like check yourself before you wreck yourself and just
say, you know what, Miss Romero, when I get down, I'm going to say, you good girl, you got this.
That's
Look
right.
At all those kids. Look at all those kids we're here for. We got this. And you got this too.
Todos los estudiantes.
Muy bien.
Gracias.
So Miss Mata helped me, and now I feel positive. That's why I was dancing, because I was like, I'm positive. I got a positive vibe, and I'm gonna keep it alive.
Woo, woo.
Okay.
All right, we better get started.
Focus.
We've got a lot of names of students to honor. Are you ready, Romero?
I'm ready.
Okay.
So I am going to begin with, wait, hold on. Oh, I lost it. Whew, I got a little nervous there.
Oh, no.
Okay, is it my turn? Do I get to start with Miss Maestra Martinez?
Por favor.
All right. For the month of May, positive attitude. In Maestra Martinez's class, Mackenzie Hewitt Reyes. Mackenzie demonstra una actitud positiva y entregar su trabajo y está alegre. Yeah. Y Maestra Kate. En el mes de mayo, Bailey Ramirez. Bailey muestra una actitud positiva en clase al participar y estar emocionado de aprender cosas nuevas todos los días. Yeah. Y Dylan Funes. Dylan es un estudiante alegre que muestra una actitud positiva y que siempre tiene una sonrisa. Yeah. Hay dos más. Angel Vázquez. Angel hace todo lo posible mientras está en la escuela y puede permanecer concentrado. Concentrado. Daniel Roman. Daniel muestra su actitud positiva cuando hace todo lo posible. Viene a la escuela con una sonrisa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, your turn.
All right, from Miss Shear's class, we have Brielle Torres. Brielle shows her positive attitude with her can-do attitude. We were just talking about that. She is organized, she's prepared, and she gives her best effort to learning new things.
Yeah.
All right. We also have Dallas Gonzalez. Dallas shows his positive attitude in class with his leadership skills.
Ooh.
He is always ready to set an example by helping others. Yeah.
Miss Mata, I think you have one more.
I do?
For Miss Shear?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. For Miss Neal, Maestra Neal, el mes de mayo, Andrés Orozco. Andrés demonstra una actitud positiva presentándose y participando en clase cuando es necesario. Olivia Oroña. Olivia demuestra una actitud positiva trabajando en sus actividades de clase y compartiendo sus ideas con sus compañeros. Yeah. Y Maestra Luna. Summer Cadillo. Summer siempre tiene una sonrisa y una actitud positiva. Summer ha progresando muchísimo en todas las materias. Es una estudiante maravillosa. Yeah. Y Mia Maldonado. Mia tiene una actitud muy alegre. Siempre está lista para trabajar duro y colaborar con sus compañeros. Mia es una estudiante fantástica. Yeah. It's my turn again, Miss Mata.
You got it.
Maestra Roque. Sofía Viaela. Sofía siempre está dispuesta a trabajar con una actitud positiva y un gran sonrisa. Y Mauricio Rosales. Mauricio siempre viene a clase con una actitud positiva y está motivado para aprender. Yeah.
All right, it's my turn now.
It's your turn. Sorry, I was taking all the time away. Sorry about that.
No, that's okay. We share. Okay, for Miss Chu's class, here we go. We have Alina Alvarez. Alina shows a positive attitude by trying her best in class, and she never complains.
Yeah.
We also have Ryan Sanchez. Excuse me.
I know I'm little.
Ryan Sanchez shows a positive attitude by actively participating and sharing out during our online learning.
Yeah.
Sorry, excuse me.
I know, girl. My nose is itchy. I got allergies right now, so I got
what's going on. All right, let's move. We're going to keep moving. All right. Where I also get to honor students in Miss CK's class. The first student is...
Oh my gosh, Miss Mata, you froze. You said, I also get to... And then you came back. All right,
let's rewind. We get to honor students in Miss CK's class. The first student is Jaden Martinez. Jaden shows a positive attitude by achieving 111% in, excuse me, glasses fell off.
She got so excited.
I did. I kept knocking them. I think I'll just leave them off. Okay, let's keep going. Jaden, it's all about you right now. He also shows a positive attitude by working hard on his assignments and turning in his work on time. Yeah. We also have Jordy Martinez.
It's actually Jordy Ramirez. You mixed the two last names.
I did. You're right. It's Jordy Ramirez. My bad. Jordy shows a positive attitude by putting his best effort in reading, writing, and math. He's enthusiastic and he's happy to be in class every day.
Yeah. Okay. Boy, we're having a good old time with this today, aren't we, Miss Mata? Okay, for Maestro Jeffcoat. Jocelyn Vargas. Jocelyn siempre tiene una actitud positiva en clase, incluso cuando su computadora no funciona bien. Ella se mantiene tranquila y paciente y sobre todo feliz. Yeah. That was a good one because it said that even when her computer's not working, she's patient. And that's important here. Y Vanessa de Arcos. Vanessa tiene una actitud muy positiva en clase. Vanessa está dispuesto a intentar cosas difíciles. Ella tiene una Okay, hold on, Vanessa. I'm going to get this. Ella tiene una perseverancia fuerte y no se da por vencida.
You did it. Yeah.
And it said that she always perseveres, and I persevered.
You sure did. You got it. Okay, for Miss Posner's class, Anthony Rodriguez. Anthony always has a positive attitude in class. He enjoys being at school and is very nice and polite towards others. Way to go. Yeah. Julio Torres. Julio always has a positive attitude in class. He shows enthusiasm towards learning and always has a friendly smile.
Okay, Maestra Torres. John Sosa. John ha demostrado dedicación a trabajar duro y siempre es respetuoso. Yeah. Y Belén Márquez. Belén siempre está dispuesta a aprender y incluso Belén le gusta salir adelante. Siempre pide permiso y es respetuoso. Tusa. Miss Torres' class, I expect an email explaining to me how to pronounce that word. Challenge.
I'm sure they'll come through. All right, here we go.
Respect, but I can't get the pronunciation at the end.
It's a hard word, but you did your best.
I did. Okay.
All right. In Miss O'Donnell's class, we've got Zane Bryant. Zane always has a positive attitude in class meetings. He enjoys sharing his animals with the class happily, does his classwork, and is an active participant online. Yeah. We also have Almarelli Valdivia. Almarelli has a positive attitude in class meetings. She's an active participant and a self-motivated learner. Yeah. All right, Mr. Green's class. We've got Johnny Garcia. Johnny has a good attitude and enjoys being at Beardsley. Yeah. And we also have Sophia Lopez. Sophia has a positive attitude and she also enjoys being at Beardsley. Yeah. All right.
You got it?
On to our middle school for 6th grade. We've got Giovanni Sosa Velasco. Giovanni always has a positive attitude in class and shows enthusiasm for learning. Yeah. Also in 6th grade, Brianna Valdez. Brianna always shows up to Google Meets and she's got a positive attitude in class. Yeah. All right, for 7th grade, Oliver Villarreal. Oliver attends every Google Meet. He participates and he's got a positive attitude with his teachers and his peers. Woo. And Evelyn Murillo. Evelyn has a positive attitude always, and she shows enthusiasm for learning. And finally, for 8th grade, we have Tigran Badarian. Tigran has attended every single class with the most amazing attitude. He always greets his teacher with a good morning, regardless of the tough circumstances that a lot of us have dealt with distance learning. Yeah.
Awesome. Attended every single class. Big round of applause.
Oh.
And I know I didn't get everybody, but you go, boy. You go, girl. You go. You go. Okay, well, that was our student of the month. And as we said, today is our last day of school. But we have sure enjoyed this week with our activities. We had movie day. We celebrated our TK through 5th grade with their awards. We had our 8th grade promotion yesterday. And then today we're going to honor our 6th and 7th graders with their awards. And then we'll be ending our day. So I think it's time to stretch it out. What do you think?
I think I'm going to stand again.
Okay. Well, let's go ahead and reach for the ceiling. Ooh, you're touching the ceiling, Miss Mata.
I'm trying to lift it up.
And touch your toes.
Where's Miss Romero?
Oh, sorry. I was really stretching. My back's actually been hurting, so I was like, let me stretch it. Okay.
Oh, I got
sorry. It like literally felt good, and I was like, oh, wait, I have to come back up. I'm down here way too long. Okay, and roll your shoulders back. And roll them forward. And arms out. And roll them forward. And roll them back. And let's roll our head. This is where I like it too.
Oh, yes. Let all the stress out.
And don't roll it too hard or it might roll off. And in 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think it's time. Are you ready, Miss? Did I do it right?
I think everybody is ready. This is our final chant of the school year. Everybody should be saying it.
Okay. Okay. Here we go. Let's do this. Let's have it be the best one yet. In 1, 2, 3. I can and I will
Have pride in myself and my school.
Oh, I can and I will have a positive attitude. I can and I will make
wise
choices. I can and I will act safely. I can and I will. I can and I will. I can and I will. Make it a great day, boys and girls. We want to wish you, whoa. I hit my phone. We want to wish you a very, very safe and enjoyable summer break. So everybody get off your chair because we're going to celebrate. Maybe we could get some music at it in 1, 2, 3. Celebrate. Come on. Celebrate. Everybody go. Woo, we did it. We did it. We did it. Woo! Boys and girls, be very proud of yourselves. Teachers, staff, parents, so proud of you. Thank you. We wish you all the best, and we will see you in a couple months.
Bye, everybody.